Hello guys, we're looking for our boarding gate to San Francisco right now. We just arrived at Incheon Airport. So hello. Okay.
안녕.
Hanggang airport lang.
We just arrived from Manila. We flew with Asiana Airlines to Seoul, and it's our first time flying with them. It is 5:40 p.m. right now. We are heading to our boarding gate 276. We just arrived at our boarding gate, guys.
So hello guys, this is the rechargeable wireless charging of Incheon Airport. Look, it's charged. Amazing. So guys, our boarding gate was suddenly changed. So we have to find our new boarding gate. So hello. So hello guys. We're on our way to our new boarding gate. 268 from 276 to 268. So a long jog.
Change of plans. We're starving, so we're heading straight to the food court to grab some food. I'm really craving a warm bowl of soup and some pork katsu right now,
So hello
guys.
guys, we're at the food court in Naiya Terminal 2. Table. Hello guys, we're at the new food court. Hello guys, this is my dinner.
Yes, sir. Pork katsu and soup secured. After a 10-hour flight, we finally made it to San Francisco. This may be my first and last flight with Asiana Airlines. Soon, Asiana will become part of Korean Air as the two airlines complete their merger, marking the end of an era for this iconic airline. So enjoy this landing and taxi of Asiana's A350, bound for San Francisco.
International Airport. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening the overhead bins, as items may fall out. Thank you for choosing Asiana Airlines, a member of Star Alliance. We hope to see you again soon.
Our relatives were there to pick us up at SFO.